Good morning, class 3. I hope you all are doing good. Now, as you all know that your half yearlies are coming soon and the portion of oral test and schedule has been shared with you all. And I would suggest you all to go through the syllabus thoroughly so that you can prepare accordingly and also look up for your roll number in the schedule. Okay. Alright, so from today we are going to start with our revision work related to our half yearlies, and for today we are going to revise our poem of unit number 1, that is Good Morning. Okay, so before we start discussing our poem, what we learned in this poem, let me tell you that the first and foremost thing which is very important to related to any poem, that is to memorize the name of the poem and to memorize the name of the poet. Okay, and not just memorize it, do practice the spelling of their names as it may sound simple to just memorize it, but most of you write incorrect spellings and there you lose your marks. So I would suggest you all to read the poem carefully, memorize the name of the poem and name of the poet, revise all the question answers which have been given in the back exercise of your English textbook, and which I have given you in English notebook, and all those questions which are given in your assignment folder. So do a thorough preparation for your half yearlies. Now we'll begin with our revision work. So today I have attached some revision questions related to this poem, but before we discuss those questions, let's revise what we learned in this poem. So the name of the poem is Good Morning and the name of the poet is Fanny R. Buchanan. Okay, so do practice the spelling of his name. Now let's revise what we learned in this poem. So in this poem there is a child who wakes up in the morning, who is wide awake. Awake means he's not sleepy at all. Now he's not sleeping, he has woken up. So in the poem he has woken up just now because the day has started and night has gone away. The night is over now, and he wishes good morning to sky, sun, wind, bees, birds, grass. So he wishes good morning to so many things which are around him there, and he expresses his happiness. He's very happy in the poem. Why? Because now that the day has started, now he's wide awake. He can find with sun, sky, wind, birds, etc. So this is what we learned in this poem. So today we are going to revise some questions which are based on this poem in our revision worksheet. So if you still face any difficulty in understanding this poem, you can contact me right away. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Take care. Class 3, I hope you all are doing good. Now today we are going to discuss some revision question answers of our poem of unit number 1, that is Good Morning. Okay, so let's look at the question number 1. So question number 1 says, who is the poet of the poem Good Morning? So the name of the poet is Fanny R. Buchanan. So I've already told you to memorize the name of the poem and the name of the poet. Okay, and also do practice the spellings of their names. Okay, now question number 2 says, why is the child happy in the poem? So in the poem, as you can see, the child is very excited, the child is very happy. Why? Because now it is morning. And the night has gone away, and finally the child can play with sky, birds, grass, etc. Okay, so he's very happy that now the morning is there. Now the day has started and night has gone away. Now question number 3 says, what does the child want to do? The child wants to play with the sun, sky, bees, wind, birds and grass. So now that the day has started finally, what does the child wants to do? So the child wants to play with the sun, sky, bees, wind, birds and grass. Now question number 4 says, write meanings of the following words. What is the meaning of awake? Awake, the meaning of awake is not asleep. Okay, which means basically when you are not sleeping, then we can say you are awake. Creeping, Creeping means when you move slowly across the floor, okay, by touching your whole body, by dragging your whole body over the ground. Okay, so this is your revision exercise of your poem Good Morning of unit number 1. um, if you still face any difficulty in understanding this poem, kindly let me know. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much. Take care.